Weltha. Okay, you guys, so today we're gonna try a recipe and it looks so delicious. I have to try it. It's bacon with Brussels sprouts. Yes, Brussels sprouts and bacon. So come on, come cook with me. Okay, so the ingredients that we're gonna use today, you guys, is we need some Brussels sprouts, you need a granny apple, you need some bacon, and you need some butter. And I'm gonna use some fresh thyme, okay? So come on, let's get started. I'll show you a closer look. Okay, and here is a closer look at the ingredients. So we're gonna need some Brussels sprouts, and I already washed them and cut them, okay? And then you're gonna need some bacon. We need to chop that up, and some thyme, some butter, and a granny apple. So that's the ingredients. Okay. All right, you guys. So let's get started. So since we already cut the Brussels sprouts, I'm gonna chop up the bacon now. Okay. So let's chop up the bacon. All right. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is put the Brussels sprouts in some water. So I just got some water and I'm gonna put them, we're gonna put the Brussels sprouts in some water and let them boil, okay? So just put these on the stove, put a little salt. Hold on. Gonna add some salt to it, okay? Then I'm just gonna let this boil on the stove, you guys, okay? All right, so I'm gonna put this on the stove and then we're gonna chop up the bacon, okay? Okay, you guys. So what we're gonna do now is chop up the bacon and the apple, okay? So we'll do the apple first. Okay, so the apple is ready, okay? So just dice it up, whatever shapes you want it in, okay? Peel it and dice it up. All right, or slices. I put little slices, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna so now I want to okay, so now we're gonna dice up the bacon, okay? So we're gonna chop up the bacon. I'm just gonna use some scissors for this, you guys. There. Okay guys, so now we're gonna chop up the bacon. And I'm just gonna use my scissors to chop it up, okay? It'll go faster. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is having a good day. So, and next we're gonna just take some time off out of the pack. We're gonna use fresh thyme. Okay. Okay guys, see, the bacon is ready. So you just dice it up, okay? And now we're gonna peel some thyme off and put it in this little bowl, okay? All right, let's get started. So you just take a few of these and you just peel off the peel it, okay? So I'm gonna go wash it and I'll be back. Okay. All right, you guys, so it's been washed. Okay. So there we go. We have fresh thyme. Okay, so now let's go over to the stove and we're gonna check on the Brussels sprouts. They only need to cook for about 10 minutes, you guys. So they've been cooking for 10 minutes, so now I'm gonna go check on them. Okay, you guys, so they've been cooking for 10 minutes, so that's enough. I turned the stove off already. Okay, so now I'm just gonna drain the water off of them, okay? So you want them to stay that beautiful color, okay? So I only cooked them for 10 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna drain the water off and then we're gonna start cooking the bacon and we're gonna add all this together and we're gonna have a meal, okay? Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna cook the bacon, okay? So I'm gonna turn the stove on and we're gonna cook the bacon. And you guys, for your apples, you might want to put your apples in some water and a little tinge of lemon juice so that they don't turn, because I forgot to do it and mine's turned a little bit. So tip for you guys, you can put your apples in some water with a little touch of lemon juice so you can keep the color while they're waiting to be cooked. Okay. All right, so we're gonna cook this bacon, you guys, and then we're gonna add the apples, and let me get my spices that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use my salt-free seasoning. Okay, you guys, just 1 minute. Okay, you guys. Whew. So the bacon is cooking. Sorry, I'm trying to let you see it. So we're just gonna let this bacon get a little crispy, okay? But not too crispy. All right? So I'll meet you back when it's ready, okay, you guys? All right. Okay, you guys. So the bacon is just about the way that I want it, okay? This is the way I saw Martha do it. Okay, so what I want to do is drain some of this oil off, okay? So I'm going to drain some oil off and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys. So I'm going to leave some of the oil because that's what Martha did. All right. I'm going to put some thyme in here. And I'm going to add some pepper flakes. And I'm gonna add my fat-free seasoning. I mean, salt-free seasoning. Okay. All right. And then I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch, because Brussels sprouts have salt on it, and that bacon is salty too. All right, now time for the apples. All right. So now, you guys, after you stir this together, that thyme smells so good. Oh my God, I love fresh herbs. Smells so good. Okay, and that's thyme that I added in there. I put thyme in there, you guys, fresh thyme. Okay, so now we're gonna add the apples. Make sure I got all my little thyme out of there. It just smells so good. Oh my God. I need to get me a garden. Okay. We'll just toss this around. And then we're going to add the Brussels sprouts. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so my stove is on medium right now. So now we're gonna add the Brussels sprouts, you guys. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna get some Brussels sprouts. Okay, I'm gonna toss that. Look at that. Don't that look delicious? Ooh, I can't wait to eat it. I think I want to put some more of my salt-free seasoning in here too, you guys. Let me taste it. Let me try it. Ooh, those pepper flakes, you don't need many of those to make it spicy. Okay, I don't need to put anything else in here, you guys. It's so good. I'm gonna add some more Brussels sprouts. Okay, so just toss it around. And this meal is ready, you guys. If you want to add some more ingredients, you can, but so that's all I'm going to add to this dish. So this is the meal for tonight, you guys. It's so delicious. So you guys try this, okay? All right, so now we're going to make a plate. Let's turn the stove off. We're gonna make a plate, you guys. Look at that. Don't that look good? Let me give you a closer look. Look at that. Mmm. You see the apples and the bacon? Don't that look good? Mmm. Okay. Toss it around a couple more times. Then we're gonna turn the stove off, and it's ready, you guys. We don't want the vegetables to get too mushy. We want to have a little crunch to them still. Okay, so it's done. We're going to turn it off. All right, you guys. So now it's time to make a plate. Okay, I'll meet you over on the counter. Okay, you guys. There you have it. And there you have it. You have Brussels sprouts with bacon and apple. It's a great dish, you guys. You need to try it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you next week.